In this video, I'll show you how to delete all messages on Discord. Firstly, launch the Discord app or visit Discord in your web browser. Go to the server where you want to delete all messages. At the top of the left of the server, click on server name, then select app directory. Type clear chat in the search bar and look for a bot that offers message clearing capabilities, such as Clear Chat Bot. Click on the bot, then press Add App. Choose the server where you want to delete messages and press Continue. Just ensure all necessary permissions are authorized for the bot. Then confirm you are a human by completing the CAPTCHA, of course. The bot will be added to your server. Just click on your server name again, then select Server Settings. In the Server Settings menu, select Roles from the left-hand side. Then the first bot's role. Click on Edit, then go to Permissions tab. Make sure the Manage Channels permission is enabled, then click Save Changes. On the right side, find the bot, then in the bot's commands, type /clear all or specific command required by the bot you're using. Press Enter, and the bot will start deleting all of your messages. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.